Hey everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2019 Ram 1500 Classic SLT. If you're looking for a pickup that's just a pickup and not a Cadillac, we got a winner here. 28,000 miles, local trade, clear Carfax, bumper-to-bumper factory warranty. Well, it's white, has a gray cloth, has the bench seat in there, seating for 6. Bench seats are nice for the guns, the crew, the kids. Air cruise tilt, windows locks, air conditioning, small touchscreen, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Pretty basic. Not a lot of equipment, not a lot of dollars. Again, 28,000 miles, no accidents, factory back bumper-to-bumper warranty, sliding rear window. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees. Nice pickup. Nice low miles. Not going to beat it. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. It's ready to go.